Hello everyone, my name is Linda No, and I would like to do my screencast tutorial on TED Ed. TED Ed is very helpful for any teachers to create lessons, activities, multiple choice questions. This will also help students engage during the lessons by having them to participate in activities during think questions, dig deeper, and discussions after watching a video clip or a documentary. That I'm going to explain more about it during the tutorials. And the students can also use this tools to take notes, copy the answers to the questions on their notebook paper. That way it would help them study for their test, quiz, and exam. I will go ahead and start with the tutorials. So here you're going to type the website ed.ted.com, and they will register for their account if they don't have one. So they're going to register, and then they're going to type in their email, their school email, and create their own password. So if you're an educator, or if you're a teacher, you're going to click Educator Start Here. If you're students, you're going to click Student Start Here to register. And I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, I'm signed in. You're going to click Create, or you're going to point your mouse to Create, then click A Lesson. So here you can search video on YouTube, copy the link and paste it on the search bar right here, or just enter the keyword. So I'm going to create my lessons about Industrial Revolution. And enter, or you can click search. And the video is going to show all kinds. So basically they're pretty much the same thing as YouTube in most part. So you can click on the video, or documentary. You can read the description, watch the video. If you don't want to choose this video for the lessons, you can just press X. So let's say I'm going to choose this video right here, Industrial Revolution. So I would watch them, view them before I click continue. And that's where I start creating lessons. So you can keep the title the way it's shown right here, or you can change the title. So I'm just going to erase that part and just leave Industrial Revolutions as a title. Then under Let's Begin, you're going to introduce your lesson. So I would type in this lesson, the student will learn about the Industrial Revolution by watching the short video clip. And that's one of my examples of how I would introduce them, but I would be typing more than that. And then under Think here, you have options whether you can create a multiple choice questions or an open answer question, or you can do both. So I'm gonna create one of them. So there's two that I already created, so I'm just gonna type it again. I would say, what year did the Industrial Revolution started? And then you can type in the answer text like however you want it. So I would type in 1700s. So you can always add answers right here, or if you don't if you only want a certain amount of answer, let's say you want 3 multiple choice answer, you just click on the minus button that says delete answer, and it'll delete. And then so here you're going to use a video hint. So it's up to you if you want to use them or not, but I'm just going to go ahead and use them. So let's say it will be somewhere 31. We'll start with 31 or 30. And then I'm just going to click save. And then I'm also going to show you how I would answer the open answer question. So I would type in why did they make children work very hard? Okay. So here I'm going to save it, and the students can either write the answers down in a complete sentence, or they could write a short answer. So it's up to the teachers how they want this to be completed. Sorry. So under dig deeper, you can either add links, or if you want to, to show them more information that relates to the topic that you're teaching. So I found this website that talks about industrial revolutions. They have cause and effect, all these informations that we can go through, and then I would copy and then paste them. You can always paste like more than one link. This can be used so when for students to each read the articles just to learn more about the topics. And then under discussion questions, on prompt, you're going to type in the questions. So say, how does the Industrial Revolution affect people's lives? So the description part is optional, but I'm just going to write right here, students will answer the questions based on what they read. And here, with discussion questions, every student will each have a different opinion. So not all of them will be the same. And then here, and finally, you can type in the conclusions, the closing thoughts of what has been covered. So if not, you don't have to type that. And then I would click publish. And here it shows here your lesson has been successfully published. So there are options that you can require students to create an account. So you can like click don't require students if it's not required. So you're going to click share your lesson. And another way of sending this link is you can copy this link and paste it on one of the folders on Blackboard or Schoology or anything that you use for the classroom. Or you can copy and paste it on the social media for other teachers to go into the link and so forth. So, and also you can also share them like share via email. You could send a student's email like individuals as well. And so that's it. So here, I hope that this tutorial is very helpful on how to use this tool. You can use TED-Ed that will help you with ideas of how to engage your students during the lessons, along with the activities and the students' participation. The best part about this tool is that you can search or upload the documentaries, so you don't always have to use a short video clip, especially when you're doing a lecture. during, or something like that. So, so yeah, with this tool right here, you can always search a video. You can always select them, and that way it would help students learn better by watching the video clips, rather than learning it from a textbook. And that they also, a lot of students also learn better by looking at images, like pictures. So, I mean, textbook, for the textbook, you can also use them, to search for information that you can include during, to create the discussion questions. But most of the time, I wouldn't use a textbook. I would rather use the tools and the videos during lessons. So, thank you.